if you're considering taking the first steps in starting your business, or are an established business looking for new opportunities, we're here to help. We would ask you to take a couple of minutes to complete our sign-up process. But what are the benefits of signing up? Once you've signed up and selected your relevant primary business activity, you will, over time, start seeing content that is relevant to you. This is something that will continue to grow and develop over the coming months. We are continuing to work behind the scenes on other digital projects, so whether it be updating your listing on discovernorthernireland.com, completing an application, or registering for an event or webinar, this is where you will be able to do it all. Please take the time now and help us to better understand you and your business so we can offer assistance and guidance relevant to you. In this video, we are going to go through the sign up and onboarding process for tourismni.com. It is important to sign up and register, as this will allow the website to understand your preferences and business, meaning that every time you visit the website and log in, you will see tailored content and information to support you and your sector. The first step is to sign up and set your business details. When you visit tourismni.com, navigate to the person icon on the top right corner. Click on this icon and you will be given the options to log in or sign up. As this is the first time, you will need to sign up first. You will be directed to a login screen. Click on the section New to the Business Hub and Sign Up Now button as shown. You will then be invited to add an email address. Please ensure that this is a regularly used email, as you will need to access it when logging in and signing up. This will also be the email address that updates will be sent to. Once added, click on Send a Verification Code. This code will be sent to the email address that you added above. You will need to access your email and locate the code. This may have gone into your spam folder, so do be sure to check if you've not received it into your main inbox. The email will be from Microsoft on behalf of Tourism NI B2C. You will then be prompted to add the code and click on Verify. There is also the option to receive a new code if you need this. The next step involves you creating your account. Here, you will be asked to create a password. For your security, passwords will need to comply with the following regulations. The password must be between 8 and 64 characters. The password must have at least 3 of the following: a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a digit, or a symbol. Add your name and then click the Privacy Policy box. You can read this in detail by clicking on the blue Privacy Policy hyperlink. Step 2 is creating your profile. If you do not move to Step 2 immediately, you may also receive an email reminder to do this. You will be presented with a range of fields to populate. Starred fields are compulsory in order to complete the process. The fields are as follows: first name, last name, optional job title, optional phone and mobile number, business details, business name and email, business phone number, optional business website, business start date and number of employees, business address and town, city, county, country and postal code. The more details you provide, the more tailored your content will become. The primary business activity field is a drop-down menu. Click on the arrow and you will be presented with a range of options. Please choose the option that best suits your business. A point to note here: if you are an accommodation provider, you will be given a further list of options based on the accommodation category. Again, please choose the option most suited to your business. You will then be presented with a range of options on what types of updates you would like and elements that may be of interest. Please check the boxes of the preferences that you would like to see. You have another opportunity to view the privacy policy by clicking on the blue hyperlink. Finally, you will be presented with a code. This is case sensitive. You will need to type the code into the box below. If you're finding the code difficult to read, you can listen to the code first and then type it into the box. After submitting your details, you will be directed back to the homepage and will be logged in. It can take up to 2 days for your account to be approved by Tourism Northern Ireland. You will then be able to edit your profile, business details, and access your dashboard by clicking on the person icon as shown. Other options will be shown on the left-hand side of the dashboard. The next time you log in, you will see a slightly different homepage depending on your business and preferences. The content presented will be tailored to your business, and over time, this will continue to expand. Thank you for taking the time to go through the onboarding process, and we look forward to working with you in the future.